Your menu is silently costing you money. Every reprint, every price change, every time a customer squints, waits, or asks for the updated menu. Paper menus are slow, expensive, and instantly outdated, and they make your business look stuck in the past. Modern customers expect speed, clean access, zero friction. And smart businesses are replacing all of this with one simple move: digital menu cards. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create a digital menu that updates instantly, cuts costs, and makes your brand look sharp and professional without wasting time. Let's get straight into it. Go to brandedqrcode.com. Scroll down and click Create Your Landing Page. You'll then see two options: Business Page or Contact Card. Choose Business Page. You'll now see 3 ready-made templates. For this video, we'll use the second one. From here, you can customize the page to your liking. You can add your logo, your company name, a tagline, your industry, and a short description. Enter your phone number, WhatsApp number, email address, website, and location. You can also upload a PDF. Next, go to the Images section. Choose the layout you want: a 1x1 square layout, a 2x1 square layout, a 1x1 rectangle layout, or a 1x1 vertical layout. Then choose how many images you want. We'll use 5. And you can add image titles such as starters, main course, desserts, or drinks. Then upload all your images. You can also add your social media links: your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. Now scroll up to the design section. Here you can choose the background style: a single color for the entire page, a primary color on top with a secondary color at the bottom, a background image at the top with a color at the bottom, or an image covering the whole background. For this video, we'll use a top background image with a bottom color. Then go to Business Information Styles. Set your profile photo size. Adjust the styles and text colors for the company name, tagline, industry, and description. You can also change the colors of the container, the icon, the label, and the value. You can edit the image titles as well: their color, font size, and text style. Next, move to the Social Media Links Design section. Here you can set the container color and adjust the icon size and the icon font size. When you're done, click Save Page and enter the name you want to save the page under. Then click Link to QR Code, and then click Go to QR Code Generator. You now have 2 options: Create from Scratch or Design Assistant. We'll start with Design Assistant. Upload your logo, choose your background color, and click Apply Changes. You'll see 4 to 6 ready-made options. Then choose the one you like. Then customize it further by setting your export size, your foreground and background colors, choosing your pattern shape, corner style, and frame style. Adjust the detail level and QR code size, then fine-tune the padding, border width, and border roundness, and select the frame style. After that, set the frame text color and size, followed by the frame width and frame roundness. Choose what you want the QR code to link to. We'll link it to a landing page. Click Landing Page, select your page, and you'll see the message confirming that it's selected. You can also choose whether you want it centered or not. Make any final adjustments, download the QR code, and as you can see, it scans perfectly. Now click Remove Image and Reset Style to create a plain QR code. Increase the detail level to improve scannability. Set your foreground and background colors. Choose your corner style. Then click Download and scan it. And there you go.